So I bought this Lottie London Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. I have no idea how to use this. This is the color Golden Hour. If you look inside, it's like fragments. I have got my eye primer on, so I'm just gonna like figure it out as I go. I don't have a mirror, so I don't even know what it looks like. Hold on. Oh, wow. This is really good. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm just gonna go and adjust it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I cleaned up the fallout with some Scotch tape and I misted my face with water. Literally stunning. I don't know what the regular price for these are, but I got them on sale for 99 cents. Like, come on. Oh, and the lipstick is Huda Liquid Matte in the shade Alluring. I'm just gonna go and do my eyebrows with my NYX Lift and Snatch. Be right back. So I did my eyebrows and I also put some pressed banana powder by Bella Pierre Cosmetics just to get rid of the shine. What do you think? This lip color and this eyeshadow, like, perfect together. I'll look to see what the price for the eyeshadow is, like the regular price, to see if like I would pay that. But 99 cents, like I couldn't pass it up. I had to try it. No regrets. I totally forgot. The blush that I'm wearing is Miami by Shayna B. It's a cream blush. No, I didn't just drop my blush. Open. Cream side down.